जिस शिद्दत से मुर्तज़ा दुनिया के बेहतरीन फुटबॉलर खिलाड़ी रोनाल्डो को चाहता है, उसी शिद्दत से वो खुद को फुटबॉल की दुनिया में साबित करना चाहता है। और अगर वो कामयाब होता है तो ये उसके फुटबॉल के आइडल रोनाल्डो की गुरु दक्षिणा होगी।
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये जो बंदा है ये क्रिस्टियानो, ये ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम है इन फुटबॉल। वी कांट कंपेयर हिम। इसका जो लेवल ऑफ ऑरा है, लेवल इज लाइक, इसका जो लेवल है, एनीथिंग लाइक प्लेइंग स्टाइल, द पर्सनालिटी, द हाउ ही परस्यूज इन द गेम, हाउ ही लीड्स द गेम in the field, that's different thing. That needs to be, he needs to be mentally, like, he needs to be mentally so high. It's like we can't imagine playing around the world. He once topped the whole world, 2.3 billion, like, I have heard that news, 2.3 billion people just stopped to watch his free kick, and no one can match him. He's like unbeatable, I guess. And there are, you can see in my room, that's a lot. There is a like what we can say, a doll of him. There is, my wardrobe is full of him. It's like Cristiano always. So that's all. We can't match him. I love his playing style. I love his looks. I love his everything. So
तो क्या आपको चांस मिलेगा इससे मिलने का?
it was around, मैं सच में पहले फुटबॉल नहीं देखता था, जो भी था बस I was in football, not football but cricket, अलग अलग sports, like it's like cricket, hockey. I have played multiple sports and I have excelled in all of them, but this sports I can't imagine. It just changed my whole life, my discipline, my everything, my routine. It's like completely changed. So that's, you could say, this man changed me a lot. I firstly, like, I'm a Muslim, and it's like, what can I say? He's the greatest of all time in the football. So that's all. I just love him, and what say. So inshallah, I would be like, I would see myself in like next years, or then though I'll just keep excelling in this field, and I will hope for the best that I'm actually going foreign to just play. Okay, so it's just like I want to play there. I just want to see that pressure, that field stances, that everything, and that's my dream. And just to meet him, that's my dream.
अभी कौन सी पोजीशन है आपको फुटबॉल में जब
हाँ, तो ये सुन के आप थोड़ा शॉक हो जाएंगे. ये जो बंदा है, he plays in forward line and I'm a goalkeeper. So that's different thing, but his mentality, his playing style is like unbeatable. That's why I love him. His captaincy, no one can match him. One stats about him, that he wore a captain band that you can see here, the captain band, which is like here, captain band. It was mine when I was the captain of my team. So the coach handled me this and tell me, you're the captain today. So the pressure that time, it was a small game, I can't handle that, and he's handling that pressure in 80,000, 1 lakh people around him. So that's all. It's definitely about him. So I love him because I inspire him. I just want to play like him. It's like I want to build my strength, my focus, my mentality is just like him. That's why I'm a goalkeeper. So goalkeeper needs to be physically tough. He is. Okay, he needs to be tall. I am tall, I guess. So that's all. I love his mentality, and I just perform it on field while I'm a goalkeeper. My personal favorite goalkeeper is Manuel Neuer. So that's the two goats. I even have a photo of him in my phone, like my all gallery. If you will see my gallery, it's all about his videos. It's him, and हाँ मेरे को है इसका ये जो है ये चादर ये मैं लाया था, तो I want to meet him. I just want to just like a handshake. My hand will be like this. I still have this shivering in my hand while I'm talking to you. That's no much can I explain that. How will I react if I just meet him? It's the love for him. It's my passion for him, and I hope this interview will be to him, and He will see.
We hope also.
बताता हूँ. So मेरा जो पहला स्पोर्ट्स था, it was cricket. Then I just choose basketball. In basketball, मेरा एक कोच था, football coach. It was in school. I wasn't aware that I'm gonna be this at this stage. So हुआ क्या, मैं अपना बास्केटबॉल का जो प्रैक्टिस था वो कर रहा था. So it's like I'm just here so कि मैं अपना बास्केटबॉल प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. He watched me and he told me if you want to be a goalkeeper, I don't have a goalkeeper. He is injured. So यहीं से मेरा स्टार्टिंग हुआ. So हुआ कि उसने कंक्रीट के स्टेज पे मेरा एक ट्रायल लिया एंड ही सेड यू आर. आई सेड आई डोंट हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस इन दिस. I'll try my best. I'll make your team win inshallah. So at that time my team wins the tournament in school. So that time I realized I should focus on this. I'll leave everything. Even I just told my parents अगर मेरे को कुछ करना है तो बहुत कुछ खोना पड़ेगा. So that suffered me like from various stages. I can't even explain that. My marks differed from that, my school marks, but my 10th percentage was good. I just focused the both, but I prefer this because I love this and my football. And I started it in Polo Ground Football Academy. Majid sir, Bashir sir, Majid Kokru sir, a former Indian captain. He was the coach of me. Bashir Ahmed Baba sir, he was the coach of me. Bashir Ahmed, he lives in that. He's a politician, so my coach Robbie, he's also my mentor. And I want to perform like him in the field. And mentally I'm so prepared that if I'll meet him, I'll be like, just please sign my shirt. That will be my biggest happiness in this, I guess. And I just want to play on the higher levels. और ऐसे ही मेरा स्टार्ट हुआ. तो अभी आप देख सकते हैं मैं अंडर 19 खेलता हूँ. मैं 1-2 दिन इंडिया के कैंप में भी था. मैं जम्मू भी गया था खेलने बहुत जगह पे. तो बस ऐसा ही हुआ तो मैं चलता गया. That will be my biggest happiness, I guess. Like I can't imagine if I get a chance to meet him, how will I, like, maybe I just faint, or I can't say that. My friend has a jersey of him. He has signed it. And I paid him around 40,000 rupees, but he didn't give me that. So you can imagine how much I love him.
Start your career with education and sports. दीजिए अपनी मेजबान मुनाज़र कमल को इजाजत for Concept Today.